disgusting. It's got hiccups.
Stop making me laugh. I'm shaking the camera. My God.
He's a little...
He's like shaking. He's so excited
He's
about
a
freaking
lawnmower.
food.
But he's not mowing lawns, he's eating food. He's like, oh.
That's all gonna come out like 10 minutes from now.
Oh my God. He's so hungry. He's vibrating.
Vibrating?
What?
What on earth?
Are you sure that's not too much food?
I don't know. The bag said a cup and a half of food per day. And if I'm feeding him 3 times a day, that's half a cup of food.
That's half a cup of food?
That's half a cup. Go.
He's shooting food
He's
everywhere.
in the food bowl. You know what? Go make sure that I used a half a cup. It's sitting in the sink. I'm like 99.9% sure it was half a cup. I did a 1/4 cup of soft food and a 1/4 cup of the hard food. Yeah, I said it was half a cup. Why is she shaking? What the? Look at his back leg here.
He's so excited.
He's vibrating. I got a dog that vibrated when it was
He's
heavy.
gonna sleep all night.
His back his back end keeps going up.
He's front heavy. His front feet are so much bigger than his back feet.
Yeah, that's Boston Terrier.
Is it really?
Yeah, that's why a lot of them have to have assistance with birth, because their back ends are so much smaller than their front ends.
Well, that's why they were charging for them like that, then I guess. There was a complication.
Yeah.
There's still some on it, little guy. Get it.
Well, I guess I made it okay.
Oh, God. He can't get to the one in the back that the plate's in the way.
I know. My God. Nope, he got it.
He's determined. Little vacuum cleaner.
Jones, look. Hey, look over here. Nope. He'll find it eventually.
Look at it clean. Give me a little...
Why is he shaking?
Vibrating eating dog. That's amazing.
It's like an old car.
I
It's
know.
like vibrating. Trying to process the fuel that we just put into it.
Oh, it's gonna process it all right.
Yeah, no kidding. I hope I didn't just put gas into a diesel engine. Well, it's a Boston Terrier. It's going to be coming out as gas. Doesn't matter what you put into it. Oh my God. Jonesy. Jonesy. Don't care. Food. Oh, he got that piece. Come here.
There's 2 pieces in the front there.
I know. He'll find them. There he goes.
Nom nom nom.
Get it, Jonesy. One left. Get it, Jonesy. Good boy. Get some water?
No, bed. Sleepy now. Sleepy. Let's sleep. Oh, no, gotta go pee.
Are you kidding? If he goes right now.
What is he doing?
Fred does that. It's the poop dance.
Is it really?
Yeah. Oh my God! Oh my God! It comes right out the other end.
Right out.
Oh my God! That's amazing. It just didn't stop. It processed the entire time. Good boy! Good boy! What a good boy!
Is that how big his are gonna be?
No, they'll get bigger as he gets bigger.
Oh yeah, but for right now.
Look at the little poop over there. It's so tiny. He'll probably go again a little bit more in about an hour, I guess. Or maybe right now. Why are you crying? Jonesy! Come here. Don't poop over there. I didn't paper. Oh my god, you're so freaking cute. Hi! Very good! You're a very good boy. Finished all your food and pooped on the paper. What a good boy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jeremy washed off his food plate. Good boy. Now I get to go clean that up. Good boy. Alright. Oh, it stinks.